An IT department does a lot more than fix your computer. They are the backbone to all businesses, large and small. But oftentimes, IT departments get so backed up handling the day-to-day tasks that it becomes challenging to get around to their more ambitious goals. That's where Bird Rock Systems can help. With Bird Rock Systems, you get industry-leading support in every step of security, cloud, networking, and compliance, or what we call our team as a service. Think of it more as a supplement to your existing IT department to get projects done. The team as a service is broken up into two parts: IT team as a service and security team as a service. IT team as a service is perfect for organizations that are interested in delivering reliable, high-performing, and scalable IT services to their organization. You are assigned a group of experts who will work with your team to formulate a technology roadmap and help you execute on the plan at your desired pace. Security team as a service is perfect for organizations that have no security team, a limited security team, or an overloaded team that wants to proactively improve their security program. Your IT team and our group of experts will determine and prioritize security initiatives to reduce risk in a rapid and cost-effective manner. Hiring qualified IT professionals is a lot of work, and losing skilled IT personnel is very costly to organizations. With the Bird Rock team as a service, our goal is to enable your team to be more proactive by reducing heavy workloads and reactive habits and leaning on us to help fill the gaps on your team. This greatly improves your efficiency and optimizes your IT spend. With an all-inclusive fee, you'll have peace of mind knowing that you're working with a world-class team of certified IT veterans. We even offer flexible monthly or annual payment models that best suit your company's needs. And if your requirements change, the service changes as needed, scaling up or scaling down as your workloads and priorities change. Stay up to date with technology trends and keep your IT projects moving forward with Bird Rock Systems Team as a Service.